So long, Dark Knight.
Drop in anytime.
You're too kind. My hero. That was for saving my cat.
Is that all it was for?
Maybe not.
I heard gunfire.
Occupational hazard. No. Let's keep the mystery. Police? Don't be silly. You can't deny there's something between us.
You're right. And I'm afraid it's the law. I'm sorry.
It's never dull, is it, Madman?
You may be surprised to know these accommodations are courtesy of your government. They built this top-secret facility to shelter high officials in case of a nuclear incident. We've decided to give it to you.
What will you use to blackmail Gotham if you waste it on us?
Why risk carrying such deadly contents when a placebo will do? Away with their $1 billion. The acid should eat through in a matter of minutes. Sound evacuation and begin sealing the compound.
Just the vermin in here.
Ugh, would I like to get my claws into them.
If I could just get some slack.
What this situation needs is a woman's touch. What a team.